Hi, my name is Lauren with Makeup by Dodge, and today we will be talking about how to make your eye look bigger using makeup. So Gina has right now one eye that has been done with her natural eyeshadow and the other eye that has not. Something about this, when you think about trying to make your eye bigger, is where you want to draw focus to the eye. So if you put a little bit of your highlight color, like we have here, look up please, put it on the inside of your eye, look that way and down, just the inside corner, and sweep it, not completely over your entire eye, look up again, but just on the inside of it, look down, while keeping all of your dark colors on the outside. That alone will make you look more wide-eyed and youthful. Another trick when doing eyes and trying to make them seem like you're more awake, maybe you just woke up and your eyes are a little red and you're a little tired, you're going to want to find some white eyeliner. And there's a fleshy part right by your lash line that's towards the inside of your eye. If you look up, if you take your white eyeliner and sweep it across the bottom, look up again. Gina's being so good. This is hard. Are you good?
Yeah.
You'll tear up a little bit. That's okay. But that will make you look like you're wide awake, your eyes are much larger, and you're just, I don't know, I guess an all-over happier person, huh?